this is this is a different video because before it just took food out of my hand. Yeah, puss. Yeah, puss. I won't do it now. I won't do it for film. Yeah, puss. It just took it straight out of my hand, which I thought was wow. I wonder if it's got an owner. I wonder if they're missing this cat. I should have a look around, see if anyone's got a poster of it up somewhere. But like I say, this is the closest that I've been to a cat. Wow. I think that's you giving him quite a bit there. Come on, push, have that last bit. And it's taking it ever so gently out of my hand as well. So, okay, push, that's finished, pal. Unless you want some chew high. You want some chew high? Okay, bye bye. Bye, push. Bye.